Good morning. I am Ms. Easterlin, one of the school counselors. Today in advisory, your PSAT scores will be returned to you. As you recall, many of you took the PSAT this past October. Today, your advisory teacher will be giving you 3 items. One will be a score report, which will have information about your particular results on the PSAT. One will be a test booklet. If you wrote your name on the test booklet when you took the PSAT, it will be your actual booklet. And then a handout to help you make some more sense of what you are getting in the advisory today. I want to talk a little bit about the score report so you'll know how to make sense of it. When you get it, you will have your name across the top, and then you'll see there will be 3 scores: a critical reading score, a mathematics score, and a writing score. As you could see, perhaps this student made a 49 on critical reading, a 51 on mathematics, and a 53 on writing. If you were to add a 0 to that score, that would be similar to what you might expect to make on the SAT. It's also notable that there's a range that they give you. So a student who makes a 49 on critical reading on a given SAT could make anywhere from, it's predicted they would make anywhere from a 45 to a 53. The same thing is true for the other 2 items. As well, you will see, it will tell you that the student who made a 49 made higher than 55% of juniors who took the PSAT. So that helps you to understand your actual score, how it might translate to an SAT score, and then how you did compared to all the other juniors who took the PSAT. The next thing you'll see will be a National Merit Scholarship Corporation Selection Index. This is particularly applicable to juniors, as is the entry point to the National Merit Competition. Then you will see information about how you particularly did on the PSAT. It's broken down into 3 sections: the critical reading, mathematics, and writing. You might do better in determining the meaning of words and then struggle in understanding literary elements. This will give you some ideas as to what you might study if you want to improve your score. The next part will be your answers. It shows the answer that you gave, the correct answer, and then how difficult the question actually was. So you might see, oh, I did well on the easy questions and not so well on the medium questions. So those might be the ones to work on. And that is, again, true for all sections. And then the last section, and the one that's the most important in some ways, is this code that will be at the bottom. And that's the code that you use to go onto My College Quick Start, which is a program that has all kinds of information, and I really encourage all of you to check it out. One thing that it does is it will help you research colleges. It will be helpful for understanding what you did well and where you might improve. It will even put together a study plan that's particular to your test. As well, it has a full-length practice test that you can do. So I highly encourage all students, this evening or tomorrow, you can go on your tablet and there's information, again, this code, and it's on the College Board, My College Quick Start. So in a few minutes, this video will be over and you will receive your PSAT scores. The one thing I want to say, if you've kind of been tuned out, I want you to tune back in. These are personal. They're for you, your family. You might talk to your teachers or school counselor about it. This is not for everyone around you. You're going to get your score, and you might be tempted. Hey, how'd you do? What'd you get? Please don't do that. This really is for you. And while you might be comfortable with your scores, it might make someone else feel uncomfortable to have you ask. So I want to ask that you take these, you look at them, share them with your family, talk to your school counselor about them. The other thing I would say is we're here to help you understand them. Some of you will be excited to get your scores. Many of you will be nervous to get your scores. This is a snapshot. There are ways that you can improve your scores. They're not what you want them to be. Your school counselors are here to help you think about that. So come see us. Come see us during your lunch. Make an appointment to come see us. We're glad to help you understand it. Thanks so much. And now, advisory teachers, if you will return the PSAT scores and booklets and handouts, we would appreciate it.